It's nice though, isn't it? Because obviously I said to you, can you give us a hand? I thought you'd be prepared.
Oh, do you know what? I don't know what I hate.
We use a hairdryer, shall we? So today we are going to attempt to tint the bad boy rear lights. I've literally brought a very light tint. I mean, a few people have said to me, oh, can you do like a tinting video? So we're going to give it a go. Don't know how well it's going to pan out, but yeah, I've come to my mate's house, Cookie. He's going to give me a hand because I feel like you're going to need a few hands to sort of hold a bit of heat on it whilst trying to stretch it round. So yeah, stay with us guys and we'll jump to it. So I believe you need some water, a spray water, a squeegee of some sort, the tint itself, and a knife, which Cookie is kindly supplying, and a heat gun, which we're going to use a fabulous hairdryer.
Not for me.
Not for you. So yeah, we'll get set up, and like I say, we'll jump to it. So they say, give it a clean, don't they? They probably mean give it a clean with some cleaning material, but
alcohol.
Yeah, probably that, innit? But we'll put a bit of water on it and give it a little splice up, you know. The only thing is, I looked at this and I don't know if it's going to be big enough. What we'll have to do, I reckon you're right, just
cut a rough shape of it.
Yeah, I think
so you've got plenty.
Say,
so you just want to do an angle.
If we cut there. This is how organised we are.
Yeah, you can use more wood.
Sorry mate, is that alright? Piss take, you know. Oh god. Yeah, ideally do it on something soft. As we say, we are not professionals. I mean, Cookie is the cameraman today and he's getting no good angles. Right, I reckon if we start off around here.
You'll start off on the flattest point.
Yeah, which is this.
Yeah.
So I feel like if we get on this, come round, and then we'll have to attempt this. So, first things first, I do think we should cut this bit off. If we've got two, so we fuck up on this, then it's one of them, innit?
Yeah.
Right, let's first things first, you need water. So put the water on. I wouldn't go too crazy, just a nice little sprucey loosey.
So it folds over and gets stuck.
Don't say that. They say put a bit of water on the film. You got that cooked? Fucking phone's ringing. Right, that's that. Right.
Oh, heat.
Hold on, no, I think we can stick it on first.
Yeah?
Yeah. Right, I need a squeegee cook. I feel like. I don't think.
Right,
Yeah, it's looking alright. Right, so that corner we can worry about.
Yeah, we'll get the heat around it.
On that heat. The only thing we've got a bit of a.
There's another film on top of it.
Oh, we're going to need a bit of heat on this cook. I'm not scratching it with that thing.
Yeah.
Looks like it is, isn't it?
There normally is another film on top of them.
Oh yeah, you're probably right.
So you've got another protective film either side. It's bastard to get off.
Oh yeah, it is, yeah.
Yeah, that
Cool, right, need more heat. And then you come round this corner.
You get bubbles, pull it out again.
Look at that water. This is the only thing when you're
Well, I should have done one side and then filmed the other side.
I know.
I'll heat it and then pull it out again.
I don't want to heat on this bit. Because I can... More up here. Try and keep it round here.
Oh, burn the thing. Go for that spot for me now.
More in. Keep it up here. Oh, that bit there. I mean, for a first attempt, I actually feel like that's fucking not bad. If we cut round it.
Same one.
You've seen worse. Let's have a look, shall we? I suppose it's just getting the heat on to push the other bits in, isn't it?
Yeah.
So first attempt. This is what we've got going on. I mean, from the back, it looks actually quite smart. Like, it's very light. It is a bit awkward to do, not gonna lie. I mean, as you can see, there's not really many bubbles. We've got that bit on all right, and then when we come around to the side, I don't know if you can see here, around this bit, we've got a slight bubble, but it's gone all right. I'm not happy, because obviously around the sides, this is what I was just saying to Cook about. It might end up here, and obviously you can tuck that in, but we're going to take this off. This is just trial run, this one. I'm thinking, do we take the light off as such, then we've got something to wrap it round. But yeah, I'm gonna have a think, give it another go. We've got two more tries, well, one on each side now. So this was the practice session as such. But yeah, we'll give it a go and see how it goes. Stay with us. Right, boys. So we've done this. As you can see, it's not actually not that bad, is it really? It's like, what's that?
Stevie Wonder, I think.
Yeah. I mean, there's not actually too many bubbles. I don't know how well this is going to pick up on camera, but as you can see, it's come out alright. I mean, we've got a few little, like, circly little bubble things, but I think that's down to the water, because you can actually see it in there. So when that dries out, it might pull out. But that's that one done. I feel like it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. I'm not a professional, you know. As you can see, just light. It's not a massive tint, but it definitely looks better in my opinion. I mean, from a distance they look alright. It's just how well after time will they look. I mean, if the watermarks don't pull out, I'm a bit of a perfectionist. I probably would end up dropping them into S6 wraps and getting them to do them for me. But we'll give the other side a go, see how it comes out, and then I'll probably run it for a week. And if the bubbles and that are still there, then we will get them done properly. But this is a trial and error. I mean, for you guys at home who want to trial it, have a go. The GoPro died, I'm so sorry. Right, we've done this one. We did a thing. This one come out pretty crappy, to be fair. I mean, as you can see, there's not really many bubbles there, but you come to this dirty corner and yeah, looks a bit messy. The corner is a little bit messy. I mean, I'm gonna give it a week and see how it looks. If it doesn't pop out, and that I probably will get it done properly. I mean, this is a channel to try and do things yourself, but not everything goes as smooth, and I want it looking nice. So yeah, we've had a go. You guys have seen us have a go. It saves you wasting your money, or you can have a go and you might be better than me. But I'm not overly happy with how it's come out. I mean, for me, not being a professional, I feel like it's all right. But yeah, there we have it. Some very lighted, smoked rear lights. From a distance, it actually looks pretty good. I feel like I'm a professional from a distance, but yeah. And I think Cookie's gonna.
Yeah, see what nice car looks like.
I think you're gonna tint your front one, aren't you? What are you gonna do? Tint your front or back?
Right. Next video next week.
Yeah.
Even Churi.
Oh yes. What is it?
Even Churi intake.
Even
Churi.
Even Churi intake for the Mini Clubman. Yeah, we'll get that on video as well. The times we're in, you know, it's not like you can get a lot of content. Right, I don't even know if I've got enough.
Alright, well, how soon do you want to use that roll?
You can have it, you can use it. I mean, it's not gone my way, has it? So. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So as you guys can see, it's literally been about a week, and yeah, literally all the bubbles have near enough come out. Got one tiny one just there, I don't know if you guys can see, but look at it. I'm looking at it thinking, God, I'm a professional. Don't get me wrong, there's like a slight edging, but I think I'm gonna have another go and do them because they've come out bloody well, really. This side was one of the worst sides, and as you can see, literally one or two bubbles. It's just the edging again, but other than that, it's pretty spot on. I was well impressed, to be fair. So yeah, gonna probably redo them, or I might just leave them for a little while. But yeah, they're proper good finish. Guys, get looking on the description below, and I'll leave the link for the stuff I use. So yeah, go check it out. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.